Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alek, and in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to create external links in WordPress. An external link could be a word, multiple words, an image, or a button you can click or tap to open or visit a page outside of a website you are already on. To demonstrate by example, I will create a new post and make 3 different external links within. To create a post, I will hover over Posts and select a new post. If you don't know how to create a post, click the link in the screen's upper right corner to watch after finishing this one. I will now add a title, dummy text, an image, and a button, and get back to you in a minute. The title, text, image, and button have been added, and I will start creating 3 different external links to my Twitter account, YouTube channel, and official website at alekstanojevic.com. The first will be a text link. I will select this random word, bold it to stand out, click this link icon to paste my Twitter account link, and use this curved arrow to submit it. To make some additional changes, I will use this pencil icon. You can leave the text in the box as it is or change it. I will enter Twitter, check the Open in a New tab checkbox, and save it. The text has been changed to Twitter, and I will now create an external link for the image. I will click on it, select the link icon, paste the link to my YouTube channel, use this curved arrow to submit it, open the drop-down menu, click this toggle button to be opened in a new tab, delete these 2 values, and click outside this box to close it. The external image link has been added, and I will now create the external button link. I will click on it, select the link icon, paste my official website link, use this curved arrow to submit it, select the pencil icon, check the Open in a New tab checkbox, and save it. All 3 external links have been created, and I will click on Save Draft to save all changes. To check if these 3 external links work correctly, I will click this little icon and select Preview in a New tab. If I click the Twitter text link, my Twitter account should open in a new tab. When I click the image link, my YouTube channel should open in a new tab. And if I click the button link, my official website should open in a new tab. All 3 external links work perfectly, and that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to create external links in WordPress as text, images, or buttons. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please like it and feel free to subscribe for more WordPress related content. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.